Meaning of dissent.
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 Dissent. Dissent refers to the act of expressing a different opinion or belief from what is commonly accepted or from those in authority. It can take many forms, including speaking out, writing, protesting, or taking legal action. Dissent can be peaceful or confrontational, and it is often associated with challenging oppressive or unfair policies or practices. The result of dissent can vary, but it can lead to changes in laws, policies, and social attitudes. It also plays an essential role in promoting free speech, pluralism, and democracy.